Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. I recently picked up my 2024 Prius Prime, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your trip meter. The steering wheel has well over 20 functions. It's insane. And my first thought was resetting the trip meter must be on here somewhere. I spent forever looking for it. Let me show you where it is. It's around here, tucked away behind the steering wheel on the left side of the dash. Those first buttons are for adjusting the brightness of the lights on the dash. And this one over here is the button you're looking for. As you scroll through the numbers, one will be the mileage until your next service. That's why there's the little wrench there. Then you'll have your total mileage driven, then your trip A and your trip B, which can be easily reset by holding down the button for about 2 seconds or so. Personally, I use trip A to see what my total gas mileage is for each fill, and I use trip B to record how many kilometers I get on a charge. It's kind of fun to keep track, especially here in Canada where we have 4 seasons, using the heater, driving with snow tires, and of course hot summers, and using the air conditioning. If I answered your question, give this video a thumbs up. That will really help me out. We'll take one more little peek from the top down. There's that sneaky little button, and we can spy it from through the steering wheel as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon on Tinagirl Life.